So today we will cover advanced or dynamic filtering in MicroStrategy. So dynamic filtering um, and visualization label filtering. So I'll move into MSTR. So now suppose I have taken one grade, and in that grade I wanted to show you gender bias patient. Let's say where is, yeah, number of percentage. So now for doing dynamic filtering, we have to click on filter and click on attribute filter. So I want to show you on two graphs. I will add you one more visualization. So yes, I have selected that one, and now I'm choosing my filter gender. So now it is asking me to select target. So I'll click on select target and I'll select both of the graph. So I have to select value here as well in second graph. So let me go back and select the value here as well. Yes. Now I will choose select target. So we'll select here as well as here. Now I will put. So if you guys see here, gender. So in similarly, I have to choose matrix here, number of patient. So now I can see uh, so I'll have to do on angle label. So now I can see number of patient gender by in both graph. Now I want to make this dynamic, means if I click on some other attribute, then my first column here gender will dynamically change, and here also that gender will also dynamically change to another attributes. So how, what I need to do, I just need to select, let's say, division here. So let's now see, if I click division, now both of my graph are changing based on the attribute which I'm selecting. Now I'll take another attribute called, let's say, patient satisfaction, and another, let's say, called treatment understand. So now if I select gender, it is filtering based on the gender. If I select division, then it is filtering based on the division. So whatever attribute I select, it will filter based on the that attribute. Now suppose this is all about attribute, but in the same report, if I need to filter dynamic filter based on matrix as well, so I can do that as well. So what I'll do, again I will choose attribute command filter, and I can move this to hover, and then let's say number of patient, then I'll choose target. So again my target is number of patient for both graphs, and apply. So in the same way I can select different metrics, let's say number of inpatient, and then what I have, number of outpatient, and readmission rate, readmit question. So now see guys, if I select gender and number of patient, it will give me gender, number of patient, number. If I select number of patient, see number is changing here and it is coming based on the number of inpatient. Now again, if I choose number of outpatient, number will change. Now I can do, there are multiple combination. Suppose I wanted to see number of outpatient based on the division, so I can do that as well. So see how dynamic this report is. So there are multiple information you can show in single page. See whatever user want, select, and then accordingly they can visualize. Now the thing is, suppose in the division, I'll show you one more filter here, and in the division you guys are seeing like here there are lots of values, so I can also filter this second visual based on the first visual. So let's say if I select cardiology, then it will give me only cardiology value. So how I'll do that, I'll tell you. So just click on these 3 points and select target visualization, and my target is this second visualization, and apply. Now see here, I'm selecting target. Anesthesia is 5, cardiology is 390. Suppose if I have to select multiple, so I'll hold control and then select this, so I can see multiple as well. So this is all about dynamic filtering and visualization level filter. Thank you guys.